Hello to all of my creative friends. Today we're going to learn a technique that will bring back the vibe of the 2000s. Are you ready to step into this shiny and nostalgic world of Y2K? Let's walk through this step by step and see how we can easily recreate this dazzling and vibrant effect in Photoshop. If you're ready, let's dive in. Welcome to another video from your own channel, Resource Boy. I'm Miri, and today I'm here with a super easy and useful tutorial. We're going to simulate the Y2K style on our images to revive that nostalgic feeling back from that time. So let's get started quickly. But before we do, please subscribe to the channel and check out our other tutorials. I'm sure you'll love them. All right, so to begin, open an image in Photoshop. The image is available via the link in the description, so feel free to download it and follow along with this tutorial. In the first step, I want to unlock the background layer, so I'll double click on it and click OK when the prompt appears, so transforming the layer. Now I'll right click and select convert to smart object, and I'll rename the layer to base. Now you just need to press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer and rename the second layer to 1. We won't need to touch the base layer for now. For the first layer, make sure the colors are set to default with white as the background color. Then go to filter and choose filter gallery from here. So from this section right here, we just need to select distort and pick diffuse glow. So set the values as follows. So graininess to 0, glow amount 7, and clear amount to number 19. And then you just need to click OK. So in this step, you'll notice that we've added an initial glow to the image. Now on the same layer, go to filter, then select blur and choose motion blur. Set the amount to something around 22 pixels to give the image a slight motion effect. So next we'll move on to the next step. Duplicate the base layer by pressing Ctrl J, then move it to the top and rename it to 2. Go to filter, select blur and apply Gaussian blur with a value of about 20 pixels, then click OK. Now change the blending mode from normal to lighten, which will bring the underlying image into view, and set the opacity to around 40%, just like this. So as you can see, the Y2K effect is slowly starting to take shape. So from the second layer, I'll get a Ctrl J, I get a duplicate, and we name it free. So we set the mode from lighten to screen. Guys, just check out the effect, and we click on Gaussian blur. So I'm going to set the reduce from 20 to 70 and just check out the effect. It's honestly brilliant. So we was able to create a huge part of our effect right here. So let's go to the adjustment layers, and we start from curves. So from this part right here, I'm going to select curves, and we set the channel to RGB, and I'm going to set the output to a number about 10. So we come to the next channel, which is red. We set the input to about 30 and the output to 40. Just make sure you check out the effect, which is getting made right here. So we come to the green channel and we set input to 25 and the output to 20. We come to the last channel, which is blue, and we set the input to number 10, and that's it. Just check out the effect which is created for us right here, and the warmth which is added to our photo, I think, is brilliant. So for the next step, we just need to come right here and add a brightness contrast. We set both amounts to 15. It's absolutely clear the effect which is getting created right here. So in the next step, we just need to create a color balance for it right here. I'm going to set the color balance to midtones and the third amount to -30, which is yellow, which gives yellowness to my photo. You can also change the amounts to your desire, but these colors and these settings is inspired from 2000s photos, and it has the most closest view to them photos. So finally, we come and just add a pattern to our design right here. The link of the this pattern is in the description. So it's called Y2K noise pattern. With a double click on the Y2K noise pattern, you can add it to your Photoshop. After you double click, you come in your Photoshop. You might think nothing's happened, but make sure it's added to your Photoshop. You just need to come right here and just select pattern. Right here, you can see that your pattern is added right here, which is Y2K noise pattern. We select it and select OK. It's covered the whole of our photo. We just need to set the blending mode from normal to overlay, and as you see, our noises are showing up here right here. We just need to set the opacity to 50 for it, which is a great amount. And as beautiful as you see, was able to create this fantastic Y2K design on our photos. If we see it before and after right here, you can see the huge effect. Absolutely incredible it is. So we created the structure of this file in a way that without doing all of these steps, you can just apply it to another photo because we're using the smart objects. So I just double click on the thumbnail of this layer, so we get back to the original photo in another window right here. So now I'm going to insert one other photo to my Photoshop. So I'm going to apply my effect on this photo. So bring it to this window right here, let go. And I'm just going to switch off the first layer and invisible it. And now we just close this window, click save. And as easy as you see, we got to this absolutely brilliant effect, which is applied to our photo. And with this tutorial, we was able to create a template. Now, all you need to do is just save this template, and anytime you want to use this effect on your photos, you just need to edit the smart object and apply the Y2K effect on your photos and enjoy it so much. So thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. It was a very easy and useful video. So before I say goodbye, I invite you to check out resourceboy.com. We have so many graphic resources for free for you, which you can download them and use them in all your different projects. And also, we would be so happy if you like this video, subscribe our YouTube channel and comment us, and wait for the upcoming videos. Take so much care to one more video.